Hello, dear friends. In the past, turtles were a symbol of longevity, capable of living for centuries in the wild. But today, the industrial farming industry has turned them into a global premium food source, with over 300 million turtles raised and sold each year, mainly from China, which accounts for more than 97% of the world's commercial turtle supply. Their journey begins on large-scale farms supported by modern aquaculture technology, then moves to massive factories where advanced machinery and skilled human hands work together to transform them into premium delicacies served at luxurious banquets. Today, join Lee Farm as we explore some of the most advanced turtle farms in the world and reveal the fascinating secrets behind this remarkable creature. If there is a creature that can live long enough to witness your birth, growth, marriage, and even your eternal departure, it is the turtle. Not only a symbol of longevity, the turtle is also a surprising example of industrial evolution. It was once an endangered species, but somehow, China has turned this animal into an important force in the country's economic development, exporting millions to the world each year. Today's main character is the Chinese softshell turtle, Pelodiscus sinensis, also known as the soft-shelled turtle. With strong consumer demand, Chinese farms raise millions of turtles each year. At commercial farms, not every turtle is selected to become a parent for the next generation. Only the healthiest individuals are chosen, typically weighing 2.5 to 4 kilograms, with thick, glossy shells free of scratches or deformities. To avoid continuously using the same elite genetic line over multiple generations, which can increase the risk of inbreeding, leading to weaker offspring more susceptible to environmental stress and diseases. These individuals are often tracked through detailed records from breeding farms. Female turtles that have laid multiple clutches with high hatching rates are prioritized. Once selected, softshell turtles enter a special preparation phase. They are moved to semi-natural ponds with water depth of 30 to 40 centimeters and continuous flow to simulate natural living conditions. Here, future mothers are fed a high-protein diet, ground fresh fish, apple snails, chicken liver, combined with regular calcium and mineral supplements, all aimed at one goal, helping them develop strong, sturdy eggshells with high hatching rates. Unlike geese or ducks, where chicks are led by the mother to forage right after hatching, turtle mothers never meet their offspring. But before leaving, the mother turtle performs her final instinct precisely, using her hind legs to dig a deep hole, laying 25 to 50 ivory-colored eggs, each covered in a mucus layer, a biological armor protecting the embryo in its most vulnerable stage. Then, with slow and careful movements, she pushes sand back over the hole. This sand layer helps maintain warmth and moisture while hiding the nest from predators, birds, rodents, snakes, and other reptiles. A silent but precise action, giving the next generation a better chance of survival. As soon as the mother turtle leaves, farm staff quickly collect the eggs from the new nests. The scene is like excavating a treasure. Sand is gently brushed away, revealing clusters of precious eggs lying quietly below. Depending on the farm's scale and number of laying turtles, one harvest can yield from a few hundred to several thousand eggs. All are collected, cleaned of excess sand, and immediately transferred to the incubation area. The incubation process marks the first step in the rebirth journey of the softshell turtle. Each egg is carefully placed in plastic baskets or specialized trays with layers of pre-sterilized fine sand between them to prevent mold, parasites, and bacteria, while also absorbing CO2 released from the embryo's metabolism. These eggs are then moved to incubation rooms, where the temperature is carefully maintained at 29 to 32 degrees Celsius. Natural incubation takes about 60 to 90 days, but under human intervention in a controlled environment, the hatching time is shortened to just 30 to 40 days. After about 30 to 40 days, the baby turtles begin to break out of their shells, not one by one, but all at once. After hatching, the baby turtles are screened by farm staff. The healthy, well-developed ones without deformities are selected for commercial rearing, or kept as future breeders. The newly hatched baby turtles are placed in water-filled containers. This is an important process to protect their health, preventing injuries from collisions or scratches during transportation. After sorting, the baby turtles are transferred to specialized rearing tanks or ponds that simulate natural conditions. Soft bottoms, circulating clean water with sunny and shaded areas, allowing them to grow naturally and healthily. Each pond is closely monitored for temperature, pH, and dissolved oxygen to ensure optimal living conditions. Turtle food includes fish, insects, and aquatic plants found in ponds. In farming, specially formulated pellet feed is used for turtles. This type is convenient and ensures full nutrition. Turtles are fed 2 to 4 times a day depending on age. After feeding, any leftover food must be removed from the water to prevent pond pollution. After about 4 to 5 years of rearing, depending on conditions and environment, an adult turtle can eat 300 to 500 grams of food per day, varying with weather and body size. With proper care, they can reach weights from 1 to 2 kilograms to 3.5 to 6 kilograms, the ideal level for harvest. When harvest season arrives, the once quiet pond surface becomes bustling from early morning when the sun has not yet risen and the water is still calm. Workers enter the pond where the turtles rest. They use nets or scoops to harvest the turtles. After bringing them ashore and transporting, the softshell turtles are moved to the preliminary cleaning and sorting area, an important post-harvest step to ensure they meet hygiene and quality standards before market release. All mud and impurities on the body are thoroughly removed. The cleaning process is done quickly and continuously to avoid stressing the turtles, which can lead to dehydration, less firm meat, and ultimately reduced commercial value. Depending on size, the turtles are sorted by farmers and then transported directly to wholesale markets or processing factories, where buyers are ready to inspect, weigh, and price each one based on size, weight, and age classification. With an average weight of 3.5 to 6 kilograms, adult turtles can sell for 60 to 90 USD each. Healthy ones with good reflexes and no scratches always fetch higher prices. The reason this species is highly valued is because it is extremely nutritious and has many beneficial effects and other important benefits. Turtles that meet standards are sent to factories for processing and handling before market sale. At the factories, workers continuously operate to ensure sufficient supply of softshell turtle meat for the market. Few imagine that from a slow, ancient creature like the turtle, an entire rich culinary tradition full of heritage but also controversy has formed. With its delicious flavor, softshell turtle meat can be prepared into many attractive dishes. From fragrant hot pots, stir-fried soft turtle slices with ginger, to tonic soups and fatty turtle eggs. These are considered delicacies in some parts of Asia, often associated with beliefs in vitality, longevity, and traditional healing. In some cultures, eating turtle is not just nutrition, but also a symbol of strength, endurance, and status. But alongside curiosity about the flavor is growing concern about health risks and ethical boundaries. With long lifespans and complex living environments, turtles, especially wild ones, easily accumulate heavy metals and biological toxins. Without strict regulations, they can pose serious risks to consumers. Meanwhile, increasing demand is pushing some turtle species closer to the brink of extinction. Cuisine reflects culture, but sometimes also challenges the conscience of an era. With this dish, will you choose indulgence or reflection? And if forced to choose, will you stand on the side of flavor or the side of life? We have just explored a world full of surprises, from high-tech turtle farms to modern farming processes. Each detail not only reveals a little-known aspect of this animal, but also raises important questions worth pondering. Thank you all for joining Lee Farm on this surprising journey exploring the world of the softshell turtle today. We hope this information has given you a fresh and interesting perspective. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.